Hi, I thought I would give you an update. It's been bloody warm today. Even the crocodile's knackered in the heat. Yeah, I thought I'd give you a wee update. I've not really been doing much because I just not been feeling awfully great, and with Christmas and everything like that, it's been a wee bit hectic and that, so I've not done a lot. But I will be starting work again on the bikes this week. They're all sitting there waiting to get fixed up, waiting on me finishing the work. That one, probably tomorrow I'll start on the carburetors. But I wanted to show you something. My birthday today, 62, getting an old fart. So it was going to be a chill out day. So my son-in-law Mick came round and he said that he had to nip to Super Cheap. So I cut the grass and everything, and later on we jumped on the bikes and went up to Super Cheap Auto, got the bits he needed, and then we headed back again down the freeway. So I'm sitting going down the freeway. I must have been sitting at about 110, something like that. Maybe a wee bit more, I don't know. About 110. And I was going round a long sweeping bend. Mick was behind me. I just felt the back of the bike giving a wee wiggle, and I thought, oh, that doesn't smell right. So I pulled over to the inside lane, and the next thing, my tyre went on the back, and I'll show you. I'll just snip underneath here and see if I can show you the tyre. So that's what's left of it. As you can see, it's buggered. So it's actually split. Nothing left of it. So, God, I'm getting stuck. That's about $600 for a new back tyre and front tyre. I was out on the bike the other day, and I got back and I noticed that the front wheels, the rims here, were a bit dusty, and I thought, geez, must be the brake calipers. I'm maybe needing to get her up in the hoist, have a wee look and just check what the pads are like. Check the tyres, because I've had this bike a year and a half now, and it's still the original tyres that were on it when I got it. And I thought, you know, I maybe need to get it up and check it and see what it's like. And then, lo and behold, bloody tyre blows out the day coming down the freeway. So that was lucky, because I've got a big ride coming up in a couple of weeks. There's a big group of us going out at the bike club, and it was just lucky that happened there and not in the bike ride, that I would have been stranded. So anyway, I nipped in the Jeep. I nipped on Mick's bike, came home, got the Jeep, put the trailer back on, and we couldn't get the Goldwing onto the trailer. So what I had to do, there's my trailer, what I had to do was actually disconnect the trailer for the Jeep, so as the trailer was sitting up in the air, and actually drive the bike up onto the trailer until it came down. I couldn't fix it to the car because it's too high for getting a Goldwing on. So it was a bloody nightmare, it really was. But we got that done. We got the bike up, trailer hooked back onto the back of the Jeep, and got her home again. And then getting her off was the same thing. We just unbolted the trailer went up in there, and just reversed the bike back off the trailer. And then once I got that done, I realised I've got breakdown recovery for the Goldwing. I could have phoned the company up and been rescued, but never mind. It's a lesson learnt, I suppose. So yeah, so that's going to be one of my jobs coming up. I've ordered the tyres, so they'll probably come the end of the week or next week. Probably be next week with the holidays and everything. But I've got work to do on my other bikes, and I've still got my tyres to do on the KTM and give it a full service. So that'll be coming up shortly. So that's about it. So yeah. So anyway, and another thing I was going to say is I forgot to mention as well, my YouTube channel's had over 1 million views. Would you believe it? Over 1 million views to listen to me waffling a load of crap. And I've got 20,000 subscribers now as well, so thanks for subscribing for everybody that has. And if you want to do it, it doesn't cost you anything, just click the subscribe button and it'll let you know when I put the next video on. And then you can have a laugh watching me fixing all these things up as well as some other stuff. But yeah, so that's it for the night. I'm going to go in, put my feet up and rest for the shock of the cost of these tyres. And I'll catch you maybe in another 2 or 3 days time. Anyway, see you later. Thanks. Bye.